What if an AI could write code, run it, and debug it right on a web page? No install, no setup, no terminal. You just open a link and start building. Here's what that looks like. You open the page, it loads a Python runtime in a few seconds, and you're ready. Pick one of the examples or type your own task. That's it. You're coding with AI. Watch. I type a prompt. Check which numbers from 1 to 20 are prime. The AI writes the Python, executes it, and prints the result. All from a web page. Everything just works. Here's how it works. Your prompt goes to an AI model. The model writes Python code. A Python runtime in your browser executes it inside a sandboxed web worker with a 5-second timeout. If the code crashes, the error feeds back to the model and it tries again, up to 3 times. Open a link, start coding, zero setup. Works on any device with a browser, link in the description.